Hey there guys, this is Eric with JC Sweet & Co.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a blog post in your WordPress website. So the first step is going to be go to the back end of your WordPress website. The way you do this is type in your normal domain name, like as you can see right here, djericwin.com, and then you're going to do /WP login. That's going to bring you right to this page. So as you are here, you're going to enter your username and your password. Mine's already filled out. Click that login button. Okay, so this is your normal home screen for WordPress. Many of you guys may be familiar with that. Don't let this all confuse you. You're going to go right to the left, down to posts. So when you click this, it's going to give you all of your current posts. So you're just going to tap this add new button in the top left. All right, so first thing is come up with a title for your post. So I'm just going to type in why I love jelly beans. So this is the WYSIWYG editor. Many of you guys have seen this. You already are aware of the buttons. If you're not, we actually have another video that you can watch for that. So I'm not going to explain that in this, but I'm just going to type jelly beans are awesome. Great, okay. So you can also add media to it. So if you needed to add any pictures or anything, you can insert them from right here. And whenever you are done with everything you wanted to add, all you're going to click is that publish button. Publish will mean it is physically on your website. What I do recommend for formatting is always click the preview button beforehand. It's going to open a separate tab and show you exactly what your post looks like. So right now this post is very minimal, no pictures, nothing. You can see the title showed up and my content showed up and also who wrote the article. Perfect. And then as soon as that's done, just click that publish button, you are good to go. And that is how you create a normal blog post using your WordPress website. If you do have more questions about WordPress, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as we have many more videos that go a little bit more in depth on different aspects of it. Thanks for watching.